In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to report a problem with the Chase app. To report a problem with the Chase mobile app, there's several ways of doing it. You can first either contact Chase customer service, so you can call the mobile support line at 877-242-7372 for assistance with online or mobile banking issues. You can also use social media, so reach out to Chase via social media platforms like Twitter at Chase Support or Facebook to report issues and get report. They also have in-app messaging, so if available, you can use the in-app messaging feature to send a message directly to Chase support. You can also visit a branch, so if the issue is complex or requires an in-person assistance, you can visit a local Chase branch to speak with a representative. And you can also provide detailed information, so when reporting the issue, provide as much detail as possible about the problem you're experiencing, including any error messages or steps leading to that issue. Finally, if you're experiencing technical issues such as login problems or app crashes, you can consider restarting your device or reinstall the app before contacting support. If this video helped you, subscribe for more Chase tutorials, and goodbye.